welcome back to the channel. Alchemic Power, your boy Andy here. We got a commercial lighting upgrade we're doing here. Just going to be adding some lights to this back wall, so let's get into it. Okay, so quick lesson where to bend at 90. Just measure to where your tape goes on the wall. 31.5. Deduct 5 inches. That arrow. 31.5. Take away 5 inches. There's the arrow. There's 31.5. There's deducting 5 inches. Line up 5 inches with the arrow and make a mark. So that's right there. And I'll bend 90. Cut. Always bring pipe. That is a code rule. Let's see if I can find it and put it up on the screen. Okay. Now I have to do box offset both these sides. So 1/2 inch or less box offset.